So I tried out Pelvini watches and here's the honest truth. The brand is often presented as premium and stylish, but are they worth buying? Let's find out. Pelvini watches are marketed as high-quality timepieces with elegant design, premium materials, and craftsmanship, on par with luxury brands. After digging into reviews, customers, and feedback, many customers report not receiving their orders at all or extremely long delivery times. Customer service is frequently described as unresponsive and unhelpful when issues arise. A number of reviewers found identical watches on marketplaces like AliExpress for a fraction of the price, suggesting Pelvini may be reselling generic watches at high markup. Some reviewers who did not receive watches say they look decent and have solid strap, inconsistent delivery with many never arriving, cheap materials compared to advertised quality, poor customer support. Positive things about it, some happy customers report decent-looking watches that look good on the wrist. But the problem is, many buyers never receive product. Trustpilot shows overwhelmingly negative feedback and red flags about refunds and support. Claims about Swiss or Italian heritage are not well supported or verified. So the pros and cons for Pelvini watches. Some customers say the watch look good, stylish designs when received. Cons are unreliable deliveries and services, often overpriced compared to equivalent products. Possible dropshipping, transparent origins unclear. So Pelvini watches might look good in photos, but in the real world, customer experience is highly inconsistent. Many buyers never receive the product or get poor service, and similar watches are available elsewhere for much less. I'd recommend caution and considering established brands instead. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.